Incoming! Dogs! There'll be more. It's the full moon, I'm not sleeping. I'm not fucking bad. You're fucked. I'm gonna go down Australia. I reckon until he's like just under that stuff. Well done, you fucking dirty bastard. You fucking rat cunt. Right, incoming. Number 16. Right, call the police, you rat. You're fucking dead. I'll get out of jail and shoot you and catch you up and eat you. Because I'm an eater. Right? And bring the bitch come out now. And I'm gonna get you, I'll burn you out with fucking smoke. I'll put chlorine bombs in there. I'll make shit up so I can get out of here. Front gate now. See? The bros are weak dogs. The H8. There's one in there. And on the bag plan reproduction system. Dogs. See the punishment that was administered to the house? There'll be more coming. My house is fuck Mexican. That's $450. Not the play, mother. Bingo. Right, come on, stab me. Oh, my money. Get my money. Get my money, cut. Get my money. I'm spending my money. You sit there and say nothing. Look, the phone's my money. Oh, my money. Oh, my money. Yeah, you are starting. Drink time now. Drink time. No, I'm going to the money I was fucked with. I did. Stop. Sorry, dude. Somebody up now.